Now in this we will understand the interface about Excel, how it works and how it look like. So very firstly we will have this access toolbar which is by default in the Excel. We have the 4 options there. The save, we can save Excel by this clicking on this button, then undo, redo, both. And I have added one button which is email. I'll also tell you how you can add more options here. Just next to access toolbar we have the ribbon in which we have different these options like file. When you click on this in file, while after clicking you will find some of the options like info, new. If I click on info, it will give you the info about your current workbook. Okay, now size, title, categories and whatever different information about this. Next view, if you click on new, you can directly also start a blank workbook from here and also the predefined. By click on open, you can open the already you have one Excel in your PC or you have some data in that Excel, you can directly open. By clicking on save button, you can save this on a particular location. If you click on this browse button, you will get a pop-up window like this. So on your location you can save this particular Excel. When you click on this print button, you can print the content of this Excel, the page number and the things you can provide here. By clicking on this share button, you can share this email to email and also save to the cloud. After that export, if you click, you can export this file as a PDF or in different file extensions. When you click on this close, you can close this Excel. It is closed now. But when I click once again on, then you can new Excel and click on this, we have this new Excel. Okay, so these are the different options. I'll also explain you this option button which is also important, and you click on this, you can find the button which is called quick access toolbar. When you click on this, you have the options. As you can see, we have this save button here which is here. Next to save, which is undo, then redo, then email. For example, I just want to add one more button which is like for example fill color. We will see this, what is the working of this fill color, but just I am adding this option. So just you need to click on this, next click to add. When you click on add and just OK. When you click OK, you can find we have this option here like OK. So by doing this you can add more options here according to your use and according to your requirement. Next, for example, we have different like home. In home we have clipboard, different options, font, alignment like center up, wrap text, number, style, cells, editing. We will see all these things one by one. We will cover up all those stuff. Next, insert. We have pivot tables, online pictures. For example, I have to add an image to my Excel, then definitely I can import that from here and add that, insert into this particular area. After that, shapes, icons, add-ins, charts, graphs. We will see all these things one by one. Page layout, different sizes of this Excel. Formulas, we will see some mathematical formulas, text formulas, date and time formula, logical, financial, math and many more formulas are also including in this, like related to statistics and all. After that, data is all about how you can import your text file. For example, you have some data but that data is in notepad format, means that in text format, and you just want to import that data into Excel. We will see from different file formats like from CSV, from online web, how we can import data into the Excel environment. Queries, sorting, filtering the data, sorting the data validation, remove duplicates. We will see all these things one by one. Reviews, view. Many of you won't have this option called developer. So to enable this developer option in your Excel, you can follow the same step. Just click on file, click on options, and this time we will need to customize our ribbon, because last time we have customized what is quick access toolbar, which is this one. Now this time we will customize our ribbon. Customize ribbon. You can see all these options which I have already shown you here. home, insert, page layout, formulas, data and all. For example, I have already enabled my developer option so that I am able to see this here. You can also do the same. Just click on this and just click OK. Basically we will use for the VBA part, the coding when we will be automating our Excel, we will use this Visual Basic and coding part. So yeah, this is all about interface interaction about Excel. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.